In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create pop-up text in After Effects. First, type some text, and make sure you have paragraph set to center text and align the text to the center. Now move the anchor point to the center. Select the layer and press S to see the scale property. Create a keyframe for scale and set it to 0%, then go 3 frames forward and set scale to 125%, then go 3 frames forward again and set it back to 100%. Add motion blur by checking this icon. After few frames, split the layer by hitting Ctrl-Shift-D and delete the rest of the layer. Now duplicate the layer and move it forward so it starts as soon as the first text layer ends. Change text of this layer. Now duplicate the first text layer and enable stroke and disable fill for this layer. For the middle keyframe, change the scale value to 150%. Repeat the steps for the second text layer. That looks amazing. We can add deep glow effect to our stroke layers. That's how easily you can create pop-up effect in After Effects.